This is a recap for Tuesday, December 7th. What we did in class today was we added to our notes some of the more challenging two-step equations. So we'll do some of those and I'll show you some of the ones that we did. So for example, negative 209 equals negative 11 times n. We're going to divide by negative 11. And n is going to equal positive 19. Or negative 2 times the variable p equals negative 4. I'm going to divide by negative 2. And p is equal to positive 2. You can see some of the problems that we did here. We added 15 to both sides of the equation to get m equals 5. We added 7 to both sides of the equation to get x equals negative 11. Here, let's try this one. We're going to add 2 to both sides of the equation to get b is equal to 5. Here we're going to subtract 14 and r is equal to 2. Here we're going to add 14 and n is equal to 17. Notice how I switched the variable from this side over to this side and the number this side over here. That's totally mathematical. You can do that. So n is equal to 17. We're going to divide this by negative 11 and negative 176 divided by negative 11 is positive 16. This is a good one to look at. 7 equals k divided by 2, so we're going to multiply by 2. 2 times 7 is 14, and these 2's is 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this is just equal to k. See if we can find a few more. We didn't really, we're going to move on to these tomorrow and the next day, some of the more challenging ones. So you can just take a look at some of the answers right here. I'll highlight a few of them. So on this one over here, x is equal to negative 12. Here, v is equal to 1. Here, p is equal to negative 13, a is equal to 4, and m is equal to negative 1. And we also worked on solve me puzzles, and we actually built solve me puzzles, but that's something that we pretty much just were doing in class. So if you are at home and you are trying to catch up, just keep working on these. We're going to keep working on these this week, some of the more challenging problems, ones with parentheses, or we have to use the distributive property and so forth. And that is a recap for Tuesday, December 7th.